I'm a huge fan of anti-ants pretzels. Unlike the hot and salty ones we get in Germany, the ones from the US are fluffy and sugary. They're so addictive, we keep going back just for a quick sugar high every now and then. Yeah? Cinnamon?
Lots of cinnamon.
You can also find some sweet pretzels in Germany. Here's one I like. Roast 100 grams of almond flour with no oil on low heat until it's fragrant, then let it cool. Beat 125 grams of soft butter, 90 grams of brown sugar, and a pinch of salt until it turns creamy. Crack one egg, add the egg yolk into the mixture, and save the egg white for later. Beat the mixture until smooth. For the dry ingredients, mix 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of Christmas spices, such as gingerbread, Lebkuchen, or Spekulatius, and our chilled almond flour. Then knead the dry ingredients with the sugar mixture quickly until combined. Cover the dough with a plastic foil and let it chill in the fridge for about an hour. Roll the almond mixture to a rectangular shape, 21 x 12 centimeters. I find it's easier to get the desired shape by rolling the filling in between a plastic foil. You can also use a dough cutter to straighten the edges. We are also gonna need 1 pack of puff pastry sheet, about 275 grams. They taste fantastic and ready to use. Fold it in half so we know where it's right in the middle. Brush a thin layer of egg white on the half of our pastry sheet, lay our almond dough on top, roll it carefully to cover the whole sheet. You can also use a layer of plastic foil, which helps with shaping. Brush some more egg white on the almond layer, then fold the other half of the pastry sheet over and try to cover the almond filling completely. Wrap the whole thing in a plastic foil and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. It will prevent the dough from breaking and create much cleaner and straighter edges. Roll the dough sheet gently to about 5 mm thick, 24 cm wide, and 40 cm long. We need to cut them to about 8 mm wide and 12 cm long strips. I like to measure it first with a dough cutter, then use a pizza cutter to get the perfect shape. It can be time-consuming, but you are guaranteed to get the best result. The pizza cutter is one of those useful kitchen gadgets. You never ever know you need one until it's too late. To get the final pretzel shape, we need to twist both ends of the strip and fold them across. You're gonna get much better after practicing a few times. Dusting both sides of our pretzels with some caster sugar before laying them on a piece of baking paper side by side in a baking tray. Set the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Bake them on the middle rank for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. These mini pretzels are crunchy, flaky, and full of Christmas flavors. Enjoy! Did you subscribe yet? If not, click here, click here, click here. Every day watch new videos at 6 p.m. Here are my 2 recommended videos. Thanks for watching. See ya. 谢谢大家。